Hey everyone, welcome back to Inside Car Mix, your ultimate destination for the most stunning machines on wheels. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and jaw-dropping vehicles of 2026, the brand new Kenworth Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving palace built on the bones of a beast. Buckle up, because this review is going to take you inside and out of a masterpiece where luxury meets raw highway power. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, it demands respect. Its bold chrome grille, ultra-smooth paint finish, and sculpted LED headlights give it a commanding presence on the road. With a full-length body stretched on a heavy-duty chassis, this rig is built not only for long hauls but for arriving in absolute style. The exterior lines are clean and aerodynamic, combining the rugged soul of a truck with the elegance of a super-premium RV. Polished alloy wheels, retractable steps, slide-out sections, and even underglow lighting options. Everything here screams attention to detail. But things get even better once you step inside. The interior of the Kenworth Motorhome is a 5-star suite on wheels. The living area features a spacious lounge with Italian leather recliners, a full-size smart TV, and ambient LED lighting throughout. The entire cabin is temperature-controlled with zone climate systems, and the windows are tinted for privacy with electric shades at the touch of a button. Move into the kitchen and you'll find top-of-the-line appliances including a full-size fridge, induction cooktop, microwave convection oven, and even a built-in wine chiller. The countertops are crafted from real quartz, and there's custom cabinetry finished in high-gloss walnut. This is truly luxury living, no compromises. When it's time to rest, the rear suite offers a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, complete entertainment system, and full storage wardrobes. The bathroom is more like a spa, complete with a rainfall shower, heated floors, backlit mirror, and a high-tech toilet with auto-clean and fragrance options. It's almost hard to believe all this comfort exists inside a vehicle. Under the hood, this monster is powered by a turbocharged 15-liter engine producing upwards of 600 horsepower. It's mated with an automatic transmission and heavy-duty suspension that glides over long distances. The ride quality is shockingly smooth for a machine of this size, and it handles hills and highways like a champ. Fuel economy isn't the main focus here, but for its size, it performs better than expected. With a large fuel tank, long trips are no problem. Now let's talk numbers. The starting price for the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is around $1.8 million, and that can go over $2.5 million depending on customization. But for the level of power, space, and pure luxury you're getting, it's a price many are willing to pay. So if you're dreaming of a road trip without limits, in luxury that rivals a high-end condo, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe to Inside Car Mix for more stunning reviews like this. Catch you in the next one.